Alright, so I got the front right side done on the Suburban. Still got to adjust them, but we're going to do that later. Rear, back is good. This one, I finally hit a brake line that didn't want to come out, so I had to cut the end off that. It's just seized together on the actual coupler nut. So, not a big deal. I'm going to restring one brake line, just the shorty from the over the diff housing over to the back left side, and then when I open this up, this is one good spring. This side was broken. I've been searching for way too many hours trying to figure out what brake drums I need. Nobody seems to have them. So I found one kit that I think, a hardware kit with the shoe retainers and all that, that should work, but we'll find out when that actually shows up in a day or two. And then moving on to the front side. Got the wheel off, started trying to get this off. The retainer screws for the brake hub right there. You can see it's kind of marred up. Took an impact driver to it. I broke both bits. I had two flathead bits. They both snapped, so I'm gonna grab a new impact driver, a new set of bits rather, and maybe I'll hit these with a torch and try and see if I can free those. They did come out on the other side, so hopefully this side I can get free as well, and then I can put the wheel cylinder in on the front. So keep you updated as parts start coming in.